How to fix headphone sound only one side. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna see if your headphones plays sound from only one side, how you can fix it. It's a very common issue and it usually easy to fix. So let's move on to the step-by-step guide. First thing first, you need to do these quick checks. First, test with another headphone or a pair of earphones. You can plug in a different pair, and if the new one works fine, your original headphone is faulty. If the issue remains, it's the phone or the settings problem. The next step is to reconnect the headphone properly. Unplug and plug it back firmly for wired headphones. A loose connections often causes the one-sided audio. Now to fix your audio settings, you need to check your audio balance. For that, go over to settings, then find accessibility settings. From there, head over to hearing enhancements or audio balance. Make sure the balance slider is centered. And once you have done that, the next step is to turn off the mono audio. So if this is turned on, what it's going to do is play the same sound on both speakers. So make sure that you turn this off. Once that is done, you can try to turn it on and test as well. Then you need to restart your phone. So just go ahead and long press on the power button, tap on the restart button. It clears temporary sound glitches affecting your audio output. You can also clean the headphone jack or charging port. Dust or small lint can block one channel, so use a soft brush or a wooden toothpick to gently clean those areas. Make sure you don't use any kind of metals. Now, once everything is done, you should be good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.